Septage from tiny house tanks must be handled and disposed of according to local and state rules to avoid fines and environmental harm. Tiny house owners should treat their septic system like any other on-site system and arrange for septage to be pumped and transported by a licensed septic hauler to a permitted wastewater treatment facility or approved septage. Receiving site. Before any pump out, confirm the hauler holds the required local permits and insurance, and ask what disposal facility they use so you can verify it is permitted to accept septage. Keep a written receipt and, where required, a manifest that records the volume, origin, destination, and any observed contaminants, because documentation is often required by local health or environmental agencies. If your tank contains industrial or hazardous wastes, such as solvents, large amounts of bleach, or other chemicals, then notify the hauler and your regulator, since handling and disposal may follow different, stricter rules. When selecting a hauler, check with your county or municipal environmental health office for lists of permitted receiving facilities and ask about any distance limits or pre-treatment requirements to avoid being redirected. If no local receiving facility exists, contact neighboring jurisdiction agencies to locate permitted plants and plan transport that complies with interstate or inter-county transport rules. Common mistakes include hiring unlicensed haulers or informal individuals who offer low-cost dumping and then leaving you responsible if the waste is discovered at an unsecured site. Avoid this by verifying credentials and insisting on documentation at pickup. A second frequent issue is failing to disclose chemicals or wastes from non-domestic sources in the tank, which can create hazardous waste classification and require different manifests and treatment. The fix is to segregate those wastes, inform the hauler, and follow hazardous waste transport and disposal procedures. The third problem is improper disposal at private landfills, fields, or septic connections not permitted to receive pumped septage, which risks enforcement and remediation orders. Always verify the receiving facility is permitted and retain proof of disposal. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners and contractors connect around projects such as septic and septage management, and we host a discussion community where members share local disposal options and contractor experiences. We make it easier to find local septic haulers and to post opportunities for contractors looking for work in septic pumping and wastewater services.